So if I was to leave politics, what would I do?
Bob's Cartel and Spice flipped your Miss Independent record.
Yeah.
Nine keep people a drink rum.
Girl in my head. Sha-la-la.
No, Jamaican beef patties is what got you close to crying.
I need them to be chicken though.
All right, burritos. Yeah. All right. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. Now, thank you so much for supporting the last social media countdown, and I see a lot of messages encouraging me and such. And burritos, thank you for the support, loving you always. Anyway, let's get right into this week's top 10 countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them sort me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Lisa Hanna quits. My word, my sentence. Okay, burritos. So, Member of Parliament for Southeast End and Lisa Hanna recently released this bit of information that she is leaving politics.
I run too much joke here, man.
She is leaving politics, I guess leaving the PNP, and we, the public, do not know what is her next move.
So if I was to leave politics, what would I do? The truth is there's lots that I could do, but I would not want to betray my core principle and my core philosophy, which is really serving the people of Jamaica and my country.
Can I get a wow? Wow!
No, one thing we have to say with Lisa Hanna, you know, Lisa Hanna, like, yeah man, we have to give her our props. Lisa Hanna is very calculated. This was not like an overnight type of thought. This was something that Lisa Hanna probably orchestrated from 2018. From before the pandemic, Lisa Hanna probably had her sights on this sort of move.
Lisa, yes, that's how we like it!
Because I'm sure many people figured that Lisa Hanna would someday become the Prime Minister of Jamaica. But it seems that the powers that be now create the kind of space for Lisa Hanna. And so I think in a video that she shared online, what she say? Something about if your presence is not valued or something.
So if your presence doesn't add value, then your absence won't make a difference.
We have to just do what we have to do.
I'm sure many of you are wondering what is going to be Lisa Hanna's move. I don't know, you know. I just think that right now Lisa Hanna can just go live her best girl life. More have to say Lisa Hanna, I take picture with like Jennifer Lopez and them like something there. I don't know. I don't know. But one thing with Lisa Hanna, she's always going to have something up her sleeve.
A lot of options. I was invited to be an actress, a model. I was invited to be other things too, but...
So, in honor of Lisa Hanna's departure, let us just all, you know, get together for this prayer. May we all be as consistent as Lisa Hanna's beauty throughout the years. May we all strive to be as consistent as Shelly Ann's career on the track. May we be as consistent as Bill's A Mountain Time. And may we all be as consistent as... What else is consistent? Oh no, man, I'm going to say that no, because next thing the people that want to sponsor me, so me, I'm going to say nothing more. Anyway, burritos, let me know what do you think will be Lisa Hanna's next move. You think she'll go over to the GLP? Sound off below. Number 9, JT wants JA. My word. Okay, so burritos, you don't know JT from the City Girls, right? So Young Miami, she actually has a podcast right now. Okay, you know, she did it them day. So she has her podcast right now that is called Carisha Please. And in the most recent interview, she sat down with her with her friend to know, you know, ask her about what she's into and what kind of men she would want to date. So when Young Miami asked JT what race of men she wants to try next, guess what she said?
If you ever want to try a race, what race would you try?
If I ever want to try a race, girl, oh my God, y'all gonna get this whole podcast. I don't want to try no race. I don't want to try no race. But
I never wanted to try a race.
But if I had to try a race, I think that I ain't gonna be boring. I'm gonna stay with race I will try. I will probably
You can't honestly say. It just depends on the person and if you like them.
I think I would try Jamaican.
Jamaican?
I don't know. Is Jamaican?
They got good food, oxtails and stuff.
I don't know. Like I'm thinking about shotters. Like
shotters. When I think about, I ain't even gonna say what I think.
So you think about it, man? You just think about something totally different. I'm thinking about the movie Shotters, like the men that was in Shotters. It's like I would date like a Jamaican. But no, I won't date a Jamaican. But if a gun was to my head and we was like captured, and they say pick a race. It'll be it'll be a Jamaican.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. JT. Okay. Race. Is Jamaica a race? But hey, she said race, and the race that she would probably try to date is the Jamaican race. We're gonna big up JT, the fact that she came to Jamaica recently, clearly enjoyed our time. So I guess if that relationship with Lil Uzi Vert does not work out, let me know, Burritos, who do you think you'd love to see JT dating in the future? Sound up below. Number 8, BTS drone show, Me Universe. Okay, Burritos, so on the last social media countdown, I spoke about the drone light show that took place at Grand Gala, and everybody did just love it because it was really a hashtag wow moment. But no more for kind of giving an insight into the behind the scenes, into how that entire drone show came into being. And so what I am hearing is that the production company was really Jamaican, but you know, the people them come here and put together the thing, and they go by the name of Sky Elements. Let me see if I get the name right. Come on, I want to mistake with me and say, yeah man, it's Sky Elements, and they Sky Elements drones, and they actually came to Jamaica, did a whole entire setup, and I'm so happy that I get this video for go share site on Cesar's Instagram page. So check it out. So from the video, they actually did all of this setup into the little mini stadium that is beside National Stadium. That's where they had all the setup, and that's where they sent up the drones into the sky. And so we over into the stadium could have really see it and appreciate it. So big up Sky Elements drone for really supporting Jamaica 68 and putting on an awesome production. Number 7, Patty Love, McCockabird. Okay, Burritos, on a recent conversation between Lil Singh and Kerry Washington. At some point in the conversation, the topic of Patty, Jamaican Patties, Caribbean Patties came up. And trust me, people, I don't think we expected this, especially this sincere love from YouTuber Lily.
Half of my school was Jamaican.
Oh,
yes.
my people.
Yes, exactly. So I grew up with a lot of those influences. Every day for lunch, I would have a Jamaican patty.
God bless you.
Then
Sometimes
Jamaican-
I have them shipped from East Coast. I'll let you know. Yeah, you come over to the crib, have some patties, cocoa bread, whole situation. We'll have to hook up about that. Yes. Yes.
This is the closest thus far in this interview I've been to crying. I actually
all the things we've been talking about.
No, this
Jamaican beef patties is what's got you close to crying.
I need them to be chicken though.
Okay, we can do that. We can do that. It's
Sorry.
available.
I didn't know it. Sorry. I think you guys think I'm joking, but I really feel emotional.
Oh my God, because it tastes like home to you. They're so good.
Sorry, my eyes are watering.
We'll get it figured out.
Okay.
No, if Lilia goes over the foreign party and she not even reach Jamaica yet, to get the homegrown, natural setup type of with meat and flavor, like she not even get the real local patty, you know. She get the watered down version, and that's so she go on. We can't invite her to come to Jamaica. She not go on left. She clearly got to just change her nationality, citizenship, and everything in a 24-hour span. Anyway, so I'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite type of Jamaican patty? I know some people really love the beef patty, some people love the cheese, some people actually love chicken. And you have curry goat, all kind of special type of patty right now. What is your favorite type of patty to have? Number 6, Tone Seller. I don't even know if I say a while ago. Like, I'm kind of run out of things now. Let me just, my coconut drops. Okay. All right, Burritos. One of the things I love about going to downtown is just how creative the hustlers get with trying to, get the people on the roadside to really purchase their products. This person never do it the regular style. We know with the little nice lady, big man, like, nah. This person actually jumped on a dancehall rhythm and decided to freestyle his way into the customers' hearts. Take a look.
Dig them up, mother. She buy this year 100. She buy this year 200. She buy this year 300. She buy that year. There is a brown girl in my hip. Sha la 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 la. There is a black girl in my hip. Sha la 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 la. There's a big woman in my hip. Sha la 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 la. She buy them. Let's cool man. 100, 200, 300. Come on me now. 100, 200, 300. Come on me now. How much with them? How much with them? A new clothes. $100. A new clothes. $200. Old boss Gregory have a cat. And on the cat we have some blouse. 1 and 200. With a what?
Burritos, how convincing was this, I guess, marketing strategy? Would you have supported him just because he did a freestyle like this? Sound off in the comments.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run long, sing along. Well then, big up everyone.
Alright, so first of all, I have to go and big up Minister of Culture Olivia Babsy-Grange on her appearance on the latest episode of Real Housewives of Atlanta.
You sure? Hi guys, the Minister Babsy-Grange. Hey guys, the minister's here. Hello. I'm gonna go put my clothes. I got my clothes on with the lady there. I want you to meet my crew. They came in from Atlanta. This is the Honorable Babsy-Grange. She's the manager of sports since 1997. We were racing. I think she hurt herself.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can I go check her?
Of course,
yeah,
of course. Thank you. Drew, this is the minister of Babsy-Grange. You okay?
I hope so. You want to go to the doctor? I'll get you to the best in Jamaica.
Okay, and next up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up Pizza Hut Jamaica on the launch of their new pizza called the Jamaican Pizza in honor of the 60th year of Jamaica's independence.
Pizza Hut is celebrating Jamaica's 60th with a new spicy and delicious pizza. So we know that Jamaica's 60th celebration is surrounded under the theme reigniting the nation for greatness. So Pizza Hut will be reigniting our customers and you also taste, reigniting your taste buds the Pizza Hut way. With our new pizza called Jamaican.
Love that, reigniting your taste buds the Pizza Hut way.
Yes. So the pizza is made with our Jamaican sauce with signature jerk sauce. So it's not regular pizza sauce, it's a jerk sauce with the jerk chicken and green peppers and pineapples. So you know you have Hawaiian pizza, so we have Jamaican pizza.
That's nice.
Yes, so open it, get chance, and you know, it reach abroad. So
and the sauce, you taste the sauce, don't it? No, this is actually good. This is actually good pizza out to go for yourself.
Oh my God,
like
it's really good.
Don't catch this right there. So.
Make a better judgment after like about 3 pizzas.
Yeah, I think Bim's going to need more. Just to be sure.
You guys want more?
No, listen. Just because I extra with the sauce,
give me a dip.
you know what I mean?
So,
I can't buy the little sushi right over here. So,
we're lock off the Hawaiian.
You know, they look something here.
Jamaica, I think there.
Kind of a little bit extra.
Yeah.
What's the dip? I want normal dip.
Oh, and finally, I have to go and big up some people. I'm going to big up Antoinette. Antoinette that works at COK in Half-a-Tree. Big up yourself, Antoinette. But in one situation the other day, and Antoinette really looked out for me and she helped me. And so for that, I am very grateful. And just in general, big up to all the burritos. I've been on the road a lot lately. And trust me, like, gonna really jump in and just like hail me and give me a strength. And for that, I'm very appreciative of that. Anyway, back to the countdown. Number 5, Spice quits Rasta. Me woyoy. Okay, burritos. So, we don't know Spice, recently, well, not recently, for, I think it's over a year, 2 years now, Spice has been courting this Rasta man. We don't really know much about him, but we just know the man in a production, and Spice seemed like she love him very much. So the two have been frolicking here and there, doing them little lovey thing. She invite him come to Jamaica and run gun in a tree, go take out fruit fair, go give her, and Spice go shake up her like a rump and them something there.
You with somebody now. You're not single no more, so I'm just telling you that you must watch what you do. Throwing that down.
Spice was on a live recently in the pool and shook up herself, and I guess people started to ask, where is Rasta? Where is Rasta? And in a very Queenie-like fashion, Spice just answered it there point blank.
I can't go there with him. My love. If you want a man for control, I can't go there with him. I'm into that about. I miss Rasta. I work too hard for them, which part me. I don't want no man stress me. I don't want no man hold me down. I don't want no man tell me what to do. I don't want no man tell me say I can't dance, I can't do this, I can't skin up, I can't break up, I can't wear certain clothes, I can't this, I can't that. I'm not doing it! I'm very sorry. Crazy, take me as I am. I'll leave me the
You know what, Spice? Talk your truth. If that is your truth and you are over Rasta, it is just so. Spice is saying that she never did get the full freedom to skin out the things them like how she want to skin out the things them and carry on with herself. And so they had to part ways.
I choose Uno. I have a choice and I choose Uno. I choose Uno. I choose to perform the same way how I normally perform. I choose to be my same self. Not changing to please nobody now. Cool down myself. You crazy girl? If you miss him like that, then you go on with him. Very simple. Crazy.
So what I'd love to hear from you, burritos, do you think that Spice is right for taking such a stance? Or you think, say, the time come now where Spice could have really, do like a compromise and say, or she and Rasta could have coexist and make this thing work? Sound off in the comments below. Number 4, funeral, Radam, church service. Okay, we're supposed to talk about this topic from 2 weeks ago, or was it last week? But here we are. So me mind my business the other day, and I saw this video on Instagram with this woman at a funeral service. And everybody there, them are mourning and all kind of things. Everybody's sad, condolences and all them, like something there in the ear. When this lady took to the pulpit to the top of the church name, I want to comment down below, because a long time I don't go to church, just comment. She decided to, share like her thoughts about the person who passed. But I think nobody did ready for what she was about to say next.
Paul had 5 children. His first child, Corey. After Corey came Siobhan. After Siobhan came Javon. After Javon came Adanique. After Adanique came I'm here to share with you Paul's last words. I had a moment of 3 days that I spent with Paul, and he began to tell me what took place. I asked Paul, why? Why are you there? Why are you no longer with us anymore? Paul said his life was cut short. I said, by who? He then went on to tell me that his wife and child was putting stuff in his food.
No, somebody could have called creep? No, I cannot believe that this, no, I'm in a disbelief. This woman never go up there and go mention and say, she get dream.
My belly, laugh enough if I laugh or cry.
No, what I'd love to see is what exactly happened after that. Because the person that could in the family after that, a peer fight never go on. Anyway, let me know, burritos, have you ever attended a funeral service and seen something as dramatic as this? If yes, share the story in the comments. Okay, more fast. Number 3, Popcaan versus Quada. Me Unruly. Yes, I'm going to work with Unruly. Alright, burritos. So recently, when I hear about the show, the Kingston Fest that happened, was it in London? And it's Unruly boss Popcaan performing on stage in very messed up condition.
Unruly. I hear me I say now. You see, to the promotion team for the concert, you know, let me talk to you clear. A lot of my fans vexed and angry because the promotion are fuckery.
So you know, say him and the promoter kind of at it on social media, and at some point in time it was revealed that Popcaan was allegedly paid over $22 million to appear on the show.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
Now, when that news broke, one person from his camp never did take too kindly to that. That person being Quada. Now, Quada went to Instagram and shared this post on his story. Basically, what this post say, Popcaan get $22 million and couldn't even find it in him art for giving people them in him crew at least 100,000 Jamaican dollars. You couldn't even do that for we? No. And so right there and then, you know, social media just started to get the Twitter fingers going, and many people started to question Quada's loyalty to the Unruly boss, because you know, in the recent years, Quada kind of taking himself out. So this comment is only going to add fuel to the, I can't remember the word right now. Just Jesus Christ, what to me today? I'm hungry. Anyway, so what I'd love to hear from you burritos, do you think Quada was fully correct for sharing his disagreement and his disappointment on social media like this? Because remember, you know, at some point in time, he actually said that he would never, ever, under no circumstances, diss Popcaan. What are your thoughts? Sound off in the comment. Number 2, NeYo's Rampage Shop. Be independent. Alright, so let's go back to 2009. In 2009, NeYo dropped this banging single called Miss Independent. She got her own thing. And right after that, Vybz Kartel and Spice, they did a remix called Rampage Shop. And trust me people, like, I think that song is just even more legendary and iconic, like, as the years go by, because once you hear this is what you expect. You not even remember about NeYo's song on it, because Spice and Kartel fully took over that rhythm. But at that time, NeYo's team, them never did really agree or give the okay to Vybz Kartel and Spice using the rhythm. And so them couldn't really put up that song on the streaming platforms. They had to do a different version. So recently, NeYo was in an interview and he was actually asked about how did he feel when he heard the Kartel and Spice remix. This is what he said.
Vybz Kartel and Spice flipped your Miss Independent record.
Yeah.
Did you clear it?
I didn't not clear it, but the streets cleared it. The streets cleared it. The streets cleared it right away, which made it virtually impossible for me to not clear it, even if I was thinking about not clearing it, which, by the way, I was never thinking about not clearing it.
That's Vybz Kartel.
I'm saying.
Spice.
First and foremost, before the song was presented to me, the concept of Vybz Kartel and who he was presented to me. Like, this is that dude.
Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, he did this with your song. It was presented to me like that. So I'm like, so what are we talking about right now? Of course it's fine. Why would I have a problem with this?
Right.
To this day, I can't be over there and perform Miss Independent without giving props to what the fuck he did. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's real shit.
We made it.
Yeah,
brought it back to life.
Yeah, man. Like, you created a whole nother vibe and essence off of this.
Oh, okay. Seems pretty new. It seems as if NeYo is saying that he was always okay all along, but why them never get to go ahead to use the rhythm? So it seems as if, like, I guess NeYo wouldn't have been the producer, so maybe the producer was the person who took issue to Vybz Kartel using the beat, and so NeYo couldn't really clear it. Okay, and so many people online are accusing NeYo for like being a two-timer, changing him mouth and all kind of things. But I think NeYo have a whole heap of issues I deal with right now, and I think he wants this to further complicate things. But I think I'm going to side on NeYo on this one, because I really believe that if NeYo had the control, he would have definitely given the okay for them to use the beat as they wanted to on the streaming platforms. Because in, I think it's over 10 years ago, when NeYo actually performed at ATI, he invited Spice on stage and they both did the song together.
That's why I love her. Now, the flyer said NeYo and friends, right? So I brought a couple friends with me. Now I didn't feel like bringing nobody with me from the States. So I ain't with the hell with you. I feel like paying for nobody goddamn ticket. You know, y'all stay y'all ass over there. I feel like bringing my friends from here with me. My friends from Jamaica. Now that last song I did, there was another version of that song made. I'm sure y'all know that song, right? So I'm gonna bring my homegirl out right now. Spice, where you at? Find them!
Every man grab a girl,
And every girl grab a man.
man to man, girl to girl, that's wrong.
So it seems as if he does love the song and he's very much for Jamaicans, you know, putting the spin on it. So what I'd love to hear from you, Burritos, once you hear this beat, what comes to mind first? Is it NeYo's Miss Independent or Vybz Kartel's Ramping Shop? Sound off below.
Yes, guys, you know it's Dalton Harris and you're watching Duttyberry's social media countdown. Keep it locked. Peace out.
And number one goes to Footwork Crew. My word, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the Footwork Crew. Now, people, I saw this video on TikTok and me can't promise nobody say me can move my foot them like this. Like, anytime me a dance up here upper body, I think I yourself. That's why I barely can master the stir fry. But these people like limited upper body movement are just so footwork, and everybody who stepped in the middle of the ring, they brought something to it. Take a look and see if you can catch two moves.
Only in Jamaica.
That is talent. That is talent. You know what I always find interesting is that there's a certain style to Jamaican dancing. It don't have to be the most technical, but there is a flavor. There is a fluidity in our movement that once you see a little, you know, a simple little move, like something about it just Jamaican. Like if a hip hop person or somebody in France or Japan do the same move, you just not go feel the little, I don't know, it's like you can feel the steam fish and okra in our movement. There is something. You ever think about the way like how we all put on lotion? We actually, there's a movement to all put on lotion, you know, we just to put on the lotion and rigid so like them robot there. We just have a natural movement, and that is what I have to really celebrate with the Jamaican dancers, them that say what you want. They might not have the bag of money and all kind of things for go here and there, but you can tell that when they move, they're doing it out of love and just like pure appreciation for the art. So big up this crew, and Burritos more for a challenge, you know. Wanna watch the video, try to do it. I would do it right now, you know, but why? Wanna not even have similar body. See that? Wanna it's nothing. I could be doing it right now and I just don't know. Well, anyway, Burritos, we've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, turn on the post notifications, as well as to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. No, don't forget to subscribe, you know, because I'm still making my way slowly but surely to 300,000 subscribers. Alright, if you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown or just generally, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. right here. So anyway, burritos, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them sort me out, what happening all the week, yo, just tune in, zine.